first tip is for those of you who'd like to cover a tattoo. It looks complicated, but it's definitely not. All you need is to prime your skin first with a primer, let it soak in, and apply a red or orange eyeshadow. The color is going to depend on your skin type, and you can either go for a creamy eyeshadow or you can use some loose powder. Next up, you're going to apply foundation or concealer, and you're going to spritz some hairspray. Let it sit for a few seconds, repeat as many times as needed, and this is the final result. I'm going to give you 3 tricks on how to use an eye pencil to tight line your eyes. 1. Close your eyes and run the pencil where your 2 eyelids meet. Tip number 2. Place a Q-tip on your eyelashes to gently lift up the skin in this area and be able to tight line your eye. Number 3. Line your waterline 3 times and then you're going to close your eye and it will have transferred to your tight line. Freckles are in right now, and if you don't naturally have them, I'm going to show you 2 ways to get them. The first way is using an old toothbrush. You're going to pick up some brown or earthy toned eyeshadow and gently dab it onto your skin. The second way to get them is by using bobby pins, and the process is pretty much the same. You're going to pick up some pigment or eyeshadow of your choice and gently dab it onto your skin. The third and last way to get them is by using 2 spoolies. You're going to apply some eyeshadow to one of them, and then you're going to run the other one through it so it splatters some of the eyeshadow. If you have a makeup brush and you want to make the most of it, you have to take an elastic and tie it around the base. The closer to the base, the more flexible your bristles will be, and if you bring it up a little, it will become a little bit more dense and precise. You probably already know that you can use talcum powder on your eyelashes to make them look bigger and between coats, but what you probably didn't know is that you can do the same thing with cotton. All you need to do is run your spoolie through some of it and then apply it to your eyelashes little by little. Top it off with a coat of mascara and you'll see what a difference it makes. If you want a very simple and highly effective eye mask, you can either use coconut or almond oil. You can apply it with a Q-tip and let it sit for a little while, or you can leave it on for the whole night. It helps depuff the under eye area, hydrate it, and get rid of wrinkles. Use Q-tips to pick up some product whenever you want to use a moisturizer or a face mask, especially if they're expensive or you share them with somebody else, because if you use your hands, you could leave bacteria behind, so this method is a lot more hygienic. If you want to apply your favorite lipstick but you don't have a lip brush, all you need to do is take a Q-tip, get rid of some of the cotton, and dip it into water. Pick up some of the lip product and apply it to your lips. I use this tip all the time and it works perfectly for me. If you love winged eyeliner but you find it difficult to master or you mess up, all you need to do is take an angled brush and dip it into some micellar water. I use the one from L'Oreal. This way you can clean up your mess and the edges will look perfect. Another way to do this is using concealer, but I think it looks a lot more natural this way. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on my website www.patrickjordan.com.